Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today, now this is our organic bamboo pillow. We're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna run a little test on it and see how well it works. Also, this is perfect for those people that have issues sleeping and they're not very comfortable. They need adjustment for their necks, or maybe they need a colder pillow. This is probably the solution for you. So we're gonna take a look at it and run a couple of little tests here and there and see if it's even worth it and if it's how well it runs. And we're gonna test it out, see how we can sleep on it too, and come back with my 2 cents and let you guys know. But first of all, let's open it up. So I like that they give you a little traveling bag. This is a perfect item. Look how love the whole fact that it comes in a little bag. This is a plus. Look at that. If every item comes like this, so open it up. Now we're gonna take it out. First time taking it out, guys. Take it out, and of course all the information, the beautiful information that you're going to require is all here. There we go. The pillow comes with its own cover, protection cover, and we're going to open it up a little bit more. If you guys can see the pillow in here, you can see more of the actual breathing holes in here, so there's more airflow to it. It's beautiful memory foam. It feels really soft. It's more like a sand in a bag soft. That's how it feels like it. I like the feeling of it. It has a protective mesh right behind it, so if you guys can see it, it's all sealed in. Not recommended to open this, okay? And if you want to know more about how to wash it, look at the instructions. All right, prior to using it, very important instructions, because off the whole bag, you're gonna get that smell. It's gonna smell like some plastic stuff, and a lot of people that review this stuff don't mention that the smell. It's like a burnt plastic mixed with some chemicals. So what you want to do is follow the instructions. Wash the cover, right? That's very important. You have to air the pillow for about 72 hours prior to using it, because if you don't, people have woken up with smelling headaches, or they're not used to it. So you need to air this and wash the actual case. You cannot use it the first day. So just be prepared for that stuff. But people don't read this stuff and they don't like it. They give you bad reviews because the smell. So just to let you guys know, that's very important. You need to get rid of the smell. Vent it out for 72 hours. Wash it as instructed here. Wash it, hot water, and then the smell should go away in 72 hours. But don't use it the first day. Once you get it out of the box, leave it there for a day or so, and leave it there for 72 hours, and then come back and use this. Let me follow instructions and wash the pillow and then vent it out for 72 hours. But overall, the pillow, we can still do some tests on it. Feels really soft. I like the feeling of it. And we're gonna do some heat testing on this. All right, guys. So we're gonna do some heat on it. All right, right now we're getting about, look at my hand, it's about 90 compared to this. It's around 70, 60, 60, 70, my hands, of course, it's about 80, so we're going to remove the hand. So you guys can see, I'm going to put my hand in here as a demonstration, right? Put my hand in here, it's going to push all the heat, all right? I'm going to leave a bunch of heat on the pillow, and this is what we do. I'm going to remove the hand. And the pillow is supposed to insulate, and if you can see, the hand's still there, meaning that that's how much heat you're gonna obtain on here. So having the heat is a problem right there, because it tends to warm your body up. And this is my hand right here, but I'm not gonna put in no more. But we're gonna see how long it takes to actually disappear. So it's taking a couple of seconds, minutes actually. It's gonna take more than a minute to disappear. We can see this is the hand on the pillow. That means it's gonna retain some heat. So, but if you can see it disappearing slowly, this hand's gonna be gone in a couple minutes. But this is simulating if you put your head in there. That's how much heat it's gonna accumulate. But it's actually faster than other pillows because it does have a ventilation. There's some circulating air underneath and back and forth because of the pillow. So if you can see the hand, it's almost gone. And I'm gonna put my hand comparison here, how hot it is, and then let's zoom in, see how hot it gets in there, and let's see if we can put the. So right now we're at 85 now, because that was the retaining heat on the pillow. So that's how much hot heat you're gonna get, and it's gonna retain. So it's getting rid of it. And let's point another section here. We can see it's 80 now, and it's kind of circulating the whole heat everywhere. All right, so we're gonna take this out for 72 hours. We're gonna leave it out. We're gonna wash this separately, all right, in hot water. It's like instruction. It gives you the instruction right here in the warning label too of what to use, all right. Make sure you follow the instructions because some of the stuff is not classified to be washed in different materials or with other materials. So make sure you follow the instructions. We're gonna put this on the side. This is where all the smells collecting from, but it doesn't smell on the pillow. It just smells on the actual case. So that's weird. The pillow doesn't. The pillow doesn't smell like it. It's just this thing, the bamboo shading cover. So wash this tonight. Come back in 72 hours, and then we'll start using it. But we're gonna air it out. All right. So now, after we washed it, we aired it out. Feels a lot better. Smells a lot better. You can't smell any of the material that was accumulated in the bag itself. So make sure you guys wash it and properly read the instructions how to wash it. It's also labeled here. Cold water is recommended, but if you put hot, it's going to probably damage it too. So you got to make sure that you get it nice and soft in here. Once it's ready to set up, we're going to do a little testing on it. So let's go ahead and do a test. All right, so we got 2 weights in here, and these weights, I'll put them right in the middle. It's simulating like if it's your head. And we're talking about 5 pounds in here of pressure, and I'm gonna put some more pressure on there, right? And we're gonna see how much it lifts, even with the weight is picking up. So I'm pushing it down. I'm gonna get a side angle too. Check this out. Even with the side angle, I'm gonna push them down. Pressure, much pressure, and they're like 5 pounds together, right? Look at how it lifts, nice and. Look at that. Let me get zooming in here. So guess can you see pushing pressure on it? It's lifting up. So no matter how much pressure you put on it, I like it. It's picking it up. So let's indent some weights in there and let's take them off. Look at that. Automatically back fluff. Push it down completely down. Push it down completely. Let it go and it lifts itself up. I like that. All right, guys. So, let me tell you my experience about the pillow so far. I had already for 2 weeks the pillow, and you know what? It doesn't fluffen up. It just it built into around your head. It feels pretty good, especially if you put your side right here. Like if you move your side, if you see it, it fluffs up right away. So either way, if you try to move one way or another, it comes back automatically. So far, I haven't had any bad experience, but you know what is really good for? So those that have chronic feet pain or anything like that, they want to put their feet, you could put your leg right in between it too, and it's perfect for soothing. If you want to put it underneath your leg, for those that have diabetic pain and stuff like that, it's perfect. This is a perfect pillow for those kind of things too. So if you guys are looking out there for any kind of the new kind types of pillow that get that automatically bolt up automatically, this might be the pillow for you. So if you guys like if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.